What is this?
Something that goes boom.
Something goes boom. Okay. All right, so we set it in the pumpkin.
Set it in the pumpkin.
And then we're going to shoot it.
And we'll shoot it. Anything else flammable in here?
Yeah, I don't know where you think flammable is.
Alright, I'm going to start mixing.
All right, now what is this you're mixing in with it here?
I don't know, really, honestly. It's something that makes it explode.
Do you got to stir it up or you shake it up?
Shake it.
If you shake too hard.
I don't know, it starts getting tight. But it don't push the ball till impact.
Starts getting tight.
Yeah. Spring the stuff.
Well, fucking all ain't gonna.
Is it gonna fall off?
Hell yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Got your gun?
It's under control. Y'all ready?
God.
Look at these fish.
Did you want that board back? I don't think I want that board back.
Is that board?
That's the board you see it.
That's pretty good bomb.